Now I can tell you that Eniola, calm down. No, now. That's embarrassing. Why?
But it's okay.
As you understand? So that was what I was saying. As you understand? That was what I was just saying to her, like, but you don't have to go that far now. And that guy, don't be saying, okay, she take my for 10 of those guys. I mean, look, I don't live like you want to man live, want to shit. On you ever you. Why do you want me to? Why? I don't like the reaction in that video. I am not like that. I am not aggressive. I am not a fighter. That is a reaction to an action. It's a reaction to an action. You don't just frustrate someone like that.
Hello.
Hello, sis.
Hello.
Sure.
You're beautiful. We love you. It doesn't matter what anybody wants. No matter. You have your own people. You have your own fans. Need it. You don't need it. You don't need it.
Ìgbà tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ parí surgery yìí náà ló bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ó kan ó ṣe bí wèrè ó ṣe bí ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ ti yí tó ẹni tó rí ẹ̀ ti kú kí ló tó ṣe ìgbà tí wọ́n kó ìfun ẹ kúrò ń bẹ̀ ṣé wọ́n kó brain yẹn náà mọ́ ni because ó ti ṣe bí ẹ tó ti kó ìfun ẹ wọ́n ti kó intestine ẹ wọ́n ti kó intestine ẹ kúrò wọ́n ti wá kó ṣé wọ́n kó ọpọlọ ẹ mọ́ náà ni ṣé ó ti ya wèrè ni ṣé ó ti ya wèrè ni Eniola are you mad or something? Coming after èèyàn tó ṣe tí ò rí tí ẹrù every time. Thank you so much. Coming after èèyàn tí ò ṣe. I don't have it. When you came into my DM and called me animal, Eniola, you call me animal. Back in the days, in the early year 2000, with my own hard-earned money, I wanted to make a movie featuring Femi Ade. Was successful. It is because I dignify myself. Nobody will know. Me okay, she social media person. Me okay, I don't come on social media slay. I don't slay. I don't operate in that level. The only person Eniola want to mingle with or interact with or come about somebody you have to be very successful. Attain the stage you can. Only like come leverage lórí ìwọ tó bá ti ṣe dáadáa ní ayé. Fúnkẹ́ tó ń tẹ̀lé kiri lọ́jọ́ tèmi tó ń jọ ń ṣe fídíò tó jọ ń ṣe kò ṣe pé yẹn náà mọ̀ wẹ̀ bọ́ lady yẹn wà matured ó kàn fílẹ̀ ni so many times Eniola láti wo àwọn ìwà tó yẹ kí lady yẹn má fi bá sọ̀rọ̀ mọ́ táyé má fi parẹ́ ìyẹn kàn fi mú cruise lórí social media ni because it's a game of number these days. It's a game of number. Don't come and drag me into something tí mi already àti ṣe. Don't drag me. I am too busy. I'm too serious for drama. I don't do drama. Bùjọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ tó máa ń tijú ẹlòmíì lè rí mi kó máa wo wípé o Laide ò kí mi kì í ṣe pé mi ò kí wọn mi lè wojú èèyàn mi ò kí lè wo èèyàn eyeball to eyeball so ó mọ̀ dàbí ẹni wípé so ti bá dúró mo kàn máa èèyàn máa rò pé mo rí òun please stop calling èèyàn lè rò pé mo rí òun but mi ò rí yàn so mo máa ń tijú so no àná yẹn mi ò tètè dé but I got there late. I got there, in fact, very late. Well, I didn't do any red carpets because I just wanted to make sure, I just want to honor that lady. Excuse me. Let me just put on this. I just wanted to honor Eniola. I just wanted to honor Anybody, please don't come on. Don't, that is even talk. Why? You what you did was to embarrass me publicly. Because that reaction to anybody, my reaction here, it feels like it will feel like I'm the problem. Why would you give me this kind of image? I'm never like this. It was you coming after me. And I don't know me pé mi ò sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ṣe lẹ́la kọ́kọ́ mi ò sọ̀rọ̀. Ó ṣe lẹ́kejì mi ò sọ̀rọ̀. Ìgbà tó wá di wípé ó wá sọ pé don't record me with her. She's not my friend. Who the F are you? Tí mo fẹ́ bá jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́. Ṣé mo sọ pé mi máa ń ṣọ̀rẹ́ ni? Sorry, wọ́n mọ̀ mí now. Anybody máa mọ̀ mí láyé Eniola ó mọ̀ mí pa. Nǹkan tó lè ṣe ń ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe yìí ni wípé ó mọ̀ wípé Laide ò ní liver àti ever turn camera kó make video. Oh, you know me, Sherry. Ever, this will be the first time I don't do it. Ó ti mọ̀, so confirm. What kí ló gain? Kí ló fẹ́ gain? Kó máa pull you down. You slid into my DM. You came into my DM. You started just because there was a time we met in Abuja in the program and photograph was taken. I posted a photograph of me and you because that was during my movie launch and I have a solo performance. I will be the only one on set. Solo performance, acting as a musician, acting as dancer, acting as a poet, acting as this, acting as narrator. I'm a thespian. So it means she's solo performance. There you are rehearsal. Because I realized that a lot of people saw the picture you posted, you knew it was not bad. Yeah, I wasn't in a rehearsal. No phone, no slow mo phone me. You claim you have been calling me that I should put down photo. I didn't see me or record, but me. I want to put it up because if you don't pull it down, you abuse the hell out of you. You insulted. Rather, you insulted the hell out of me. I want to ti pọ̀ ju Eniola tí mi ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní year yẹn, tí mi ò bá sọ̀rọ̀ ní time yẹn. Okay, what's the me? Eniola, I don't brag. I made you. Let me say the way it is. I made you. If I didn't give you that platform that year, nobody wants you in that movie. Talkless, we can't completely draw. It was just because I kind of love your sense of humor. In fact, to me, if I'm to laugh it better, I would say I'd rather be a comedian. In fact, you'll be far better than a lot of comedians that reason. Because you are a very funny person. I saw a lot of posts. I saw that comic potential in you. Like she man so like she jore in that. Oh, wait till you come to public, you are saying you are not my. And you that get here, sha. What I don't quarrel. My family are my friend. Me on quarrel. In fact, any of my colleague. Toba check on me because he pay me. And she been bullshit. Once she pay me just 3-4 days ago. When I like them to do right there. They about when shall in my head, in my and when you're my wow. And when you're my dow. When I see people people are like that. And when you're but when I wanted to when I was planning my housewarming party, ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ wípé ìkànnì ẹ, ibi tí mo ti mọ̀ pé ìkànnì ẹ, ejò ni ẹ, èṣù ni ẹ. Ìgbà tí mo design, mo kàn ṣe just the invitation or just the design ni mo design yẹn mo ṣe ń gbà yẹn o. I'm so sorry if I'm not reading comments now. I will read later. But I quickly want to say what I wanted to say. Then I'll let people talk. I'll really let people talk. Ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ ṣe design lásán ni mo kàn ṣe. I can remember. Eniola was the first person tí mo send invite yẹn sí pé Eniola sure mo ìyẹn kò ń ṣe building yẹn ò ń ṣe kíní kì í ṣe kejì kì í ṣe kẹta. But building yẹn kàn I don't post my life on social media. I don't post my children. I don't post anything about me. I don't really share the little lẹ́kọ̀ọ̀kan just because the page is not working. That is why you will just need choice. Left to me, I'm not like that. understanding people you're busy. So sometimes they are like material to post. That was why I posted it that time. Yeah. When I got my that party yesterday, you get a fake body, yeah? Your body is fake. Oh, fake is not. Oh, fake. Okay, do shape bikini photo shoot. You can't open your body. Your body is disgusting. Oh, what disgusting? Oh, fine. Eniola, ugly. Ugly. Eniola, this is me without makeup. This is me. This is me without makeup. Later go only cover ugliness here. Look what she for me lano here. Give me public embarrassment. Make the people now sending videos like I'm the bad one. Why do you want to damage my reputation? Why? Iwa tenu atile jede niye o toro ku. Kò sí kò tó kì toro. Same way, nígbà tí Davido ṣe bọ́ta nga yẹn náà, ìwọ yìí náà ló máa lọ lé ẹ̀ ló máa ṣe same way, ìwọ yìí náà ló lọ fi ọmọ ọlọ́mọ ṣe content. You are so evil. Ìkànnì ẹ́. Mi ò tí ì rí. Of course, there might be a couple of industry here. We can't rule out the fact that people might just come after you, or people might just do stuff to make you aggravate unnecessarily because they just feel like. But not you and me. Even the partner when you touch on the issue, maybe almost 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 7 years ago, Eniola, what is the issue between me and you? Almost 25 years of knowing each other. We are not friends anyway. Don't each other. I can show you. Every time you are always calling me. Every time I give more friend advice now. So why will it now be that you want to deny we pay me call my friend breakthrough life? Me okay? Me on serious, please. People don't get it wrong. Make it serious, but she could painful. But this is somebody to I am against all the advice that this lady, she's ugly, she's fat, she's not good. Don't use her in your movie. Don't use her in my movie. I was the first youngest producer. I've been producing movie since age 17. I'm a rich kid. But people should want industry. But I'm only moving. I want love film. I want to film. Nile wani yo. I want to film. I want to screenplay. Nile. I want to. Can I say this is my room? This is every. I want to nile upside down. My parents accommodate all love. I want to film. What see me? I need hotel. Time of filmmakers man low. After I to be